My name is Amanda Siegel, and I am coming back to CCC. So I already have the degree in Sustainable Green Building, but now I'm coming back just to do some more classes, and I figure I may as well pick up the additional certificate. Why not? Because I've taken almost every class. So this all started, my husband and I moved here back in 2019. We bought property that just had a barn on it, and we were living in the barn, and we were working with a designer, and we got plans to build a straw bale house, but then the pandemic hit. So everything got really expensive, and we're like, nope, that is not in the future right now. So then I kind of pivoted, and I thought, oh, there's a community college. Let me see what kind of classes they have. So I saw the construction program, and I figured it would be a good way to see what I can learn to do myself, to try to save some money, because the county lets you be an owner-builder. I actually have a BS in applied mathematics and a minor in geology from UC Davis, but that was 20 some odd years ago. And then when we ran into this whole house thing, it was like, oh, okay, let's go for another one. So yeah, then I picked up the Sustainable Green Building certificate, which can also be a degree. So you can do like the intermediate certificate, advanced, or the degree, but it's kind of the electrical one. I wanted to build a house, so I just kind of wanted to learn everything. So I really liked the solar class. I think that was really interesting. And then I went and got like a separate like solar certificate off that, because our teacher Connor was really awesome. And then I really liked wood shop. It's a pretty small class. I think the most he ever has is 10 or 11 students. So it's a really good, like, hands-on. You're working on your like one project, so your cabinet takes most of the semester. And it's all the planning, and he teaches you how to use all the different tools. And so I think that was awesome to just have that one-on-one, and like have Ken come over and be like, all right, I'm gonna walk you through the tool, this is how it's gonna go. Like Bill, he helps out in the wood shop, and he's amazing too. So yeah, I think that one was just the greatest. I'd done a little bit with tools, but not very much. So that was a big one. It was really scary at first, because I hadn't played with big table saws or miter like saws or anything. So I think that was probably what I would say is the most empowering class, just to get so comfortable and confident with tools. And now I'm a tool junkie. I worked at REI for a long time, so I actually worked there for 15 years. But as part of the degree for the Sustainable Green Building, you have to do an internship. So my internship was actually working with Coconino County, Nina Schmidt, in the Sustainable Building program. Review building plans for anyone who's interested in our sustainable certification. So I did my internship there, and then she was like, hey, do you want to stay? So I stayed, and then that's been really fun. And then we're trying to kind of develop a little like online thing where people can sign up, because county has free services, just not many people know about it. But anyone who's interested in learning about the checklist, or like wants someone to talk to about like designing their place or remodeling their place and what would be good ideas, like, we're a free service. I want to build a house. So yeah, I want to be an older builder, and then I think something that could be fun would be like a design consultant. Because like we had a friend who is building an off-grid house, and he was like, hey, I don't understand any of this like solar stuff the guy, at the company sent me. Can you look it over? And it was really cool, because I looked over like the recommendations that they made, and I was like, hey, you might want to ask him about that, because I don't think that makes sense. And I thought it was really cool. He actually took a little presentation I prepared, showed it back to him, and then they're like, oh, yeah, she's right, we did mess that up. So now I'm the handy woman. They're like, hey, like the outlet in our bathroom went out. Like, can you check it out? Like, oh, I've taken electrical 1, electrical 2, have like all the different things to test stuff and whatnot. So it's like, all right, let's cut the power, let's pull it out, let's check it out. Ooh, your wire melted. You should get that replaced. You should buy a new plug. I mean, just like little things like that. I highly recommend it. I mean, I've learned so much, and like, especially now, and like talking to projects that are going through our checklist right now, it's hard to find people in the trades. So whether you're kind of starting out and thinking about a career path in the trades, like that's a job you're always going to have. People are always going to need stuff to get fixed. The homeowner, like being able to do those things yourself, like just saves you a lot of money. I have one word: empowering. Yeah, I think, learning how to use tools, learning all the things you should know, design considerations. Like I feel so much more confident now in just being able to make recommendations or build stuff. Like I made myself a desk for this semester, so I got a really cool pine desk, and yeah. I started small and go big at CCC because I'm gonna build my house.